Hello friends, welcome back to DG Academy, your one-stop place for smart study tips and academic success. Today I am going to share with you a well-structured daily timetable specially designed for class 10 students. If you are aiming to top marks in your board, exams and want to manage your day effectively, this video is just for you. So let's start. Class 10 is a turning point in every student's life with so many subjects, homework, coaching, school, and self study. It is easy to get lost. That's why a perfect timetable helps you stay focused, organized, and stress free. Let's break the day into smart time slots. Here are a sample timetable you can follow or customize according to your schedule. So friends, follow this timetable with dedication and you will definitely see improvement in your performance. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to DG Academy for more helpful content.